Hi friends, I am Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul Saraf Recipes in English. Today we are going to learn how to make aloe vera gel and store it for at least 1 year. We have to start the process before one day. I have taken an aloe vera and kept it in refrigerator in a polythene bag so that the waste yellowish pulp would come out because it is of no use. Just remember, you have to put the aloe vera in a standing position. Now remove the bottom part of an aloe vera because it is of no use. Now cut it into small pieces. In the same way, we can cut all the pieces. We have to cut the sides also so that the gel can be easily removed. Now cut it from the center. See, we have very clear gel here and we have to remove this gel. Now I have cutted all the pieces of aloe vera. Now we have to grate it in a grater. There are many methods to remove the gel. Firstly, we are using grater here so that all the gel can be removed very easily. In the second method, you can use backside of the spoon to remove the aloe vera gel. You can also use knife here. It's totally up to you. But I am using grater here because it is more easy and giving more gel than compared to other materials. I have extracted all the gel from the aloe vera and now I am using small jar of a mixer grinder so that we can grind it only once. Now it is ready. See. Now take a strainer. We have to strain the material so that we get the pure gel and the green part can be removed. Just strain it. Now our gel is ready. This is the pure form because it does not contain any type of chemical. This can be stored for 3 to 4 days and you can use it. You have to keep it in the refrigerator. If you want to store this for at least 1 month, then you have to add few ingredients, like just add few drops of lemon and a capsule of vitamin E. Then you can use it for a month. But our task is to store it for 1 year. For this we have to use little bit trick. For that, just take a ice cube tray and prepare the ice cubes of the prepared gel. You can use these cubes for your face as well as your hairs. only one cube is sufficient for face, and if you want to use it on your hair, just bring the cubes in the room temperature and you can use that. Now our aloe vera gel is ready. You can store it for 1 year in refrigerator. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and close ones. Thank you so much.